Thanks for being here together for my keynote. My name is Kambis. I will roughly make about, let's say, 30 minutes maximum for the presentation. And the presentation is about entrepreneurs of the 21st century with focus on innovation, inclusion, and impact. And the presentation will be structured in several elements. First, introducing myself and my background. Then I will make a deep dive into startups, and I will also share some facts about the Austrian tech and startup ecosystem as well. Then we're gonna continue with about what makes a startup successful overall, based also on data, not just on experience. And we will conclude the presentation with the topic of diversity, equity, inclusion, and its impact actually on tech and startups. So StartupNow.at, that's the official startup initiative by the Austrian Federal Economic Chamber. Mitra introduced myself shortly. So I'm at the Austrian Federal Economic Chamber, which is the Chamber of Commerce. And we have started our own startup initiative called StartupNow.at. It's in German, but also in English. So you can take a look there as well. Yeah, my name is Kambis, and at the Chamber of Commerce, I have two positions. One being the head of startup services, and second, being the deputy head of founder services. And that's important to understand. We make a differentiation. What is a startup and what is a founder? Because we have much more founders in Austria than we have startups, because we have a very tight definition. Afterwards, if you're interested, you can check it out as well, the website, and we share a lot of content about what's happening in Austria, in Europe. We share content for founders and startups, which they can actually use to educate themselves, etc., etc., etc. But I haven't been always there, so I was not just someone who is at the Chamber of Commerce for my lifetime. I've been a startup and tech founder myself for 10 years, roughly. I started around 2011 with my first company called What You Do, which is a startup in the fields of education. When I graduated from the University of Vienna University of Economics and Business, I co-founded this startup. And what we did is we set up a platform where people and the jobs are portrayed in short video clips. So it was about giving guidance to young people, also like me, for instance, at this point of time. I'm not so young anymore. And we made a business model out of it. So out of our own need, of our own problem, we identified, we made a product and created a business model. What you do, you can see on the right here. This was at the very top when we were up to 70 employees in 6 different countries. For 5 years, we were one of the fastest growing companies in Austria in terms of revenue growth. So we were actually creating a lot of revenue, but as it often comes, when you actually